Okay, so today is a Heritage Day, and in the spirit of not just following what everyone else is doing, I decided to do a little bit of research regarding the term or the word heritage. So this is what I found. Let me just check. So heritage encompasses the cultural, social, and natural legacy inherited from past generations, which shapes our identity and informs our present and is passed on to the future generations. And so, in a nutshell, heritage has to do with inheritance. And it got me thinking financially speaking, what inheritance are you leaving for your children? And for me, if if I were to die today, I would leave debt for my kids. I'll leave them in debt. And that's not to say I'm not doing anything about it, but just a thought for you. What exactly are you leaving? What are you leaving for your children? What inheritance are you leaving for your children, financially speaking? Because the thing with finances, it's not just a financial, when you make a financial decision, you're not just making a financial decision isolated. Financial decisions, they encompass, they overarch to other aspects of our lives, our our relationships, our health, our well-being. There's so much that finances overarch, they're overreaching, they touch a lot of things. So it just got me to think, and I hope you would also start thinking about that and do something about your financial life, your financial standing, you know. Anyway, happy Heritage Day, guys. Cheers.